Dear student, class 7, welcome to our online class Greenfield School and College. Some countries in Asia. Look, today we will discuss chapter 11, some countries in Asia. Bangladesh is a developing country in Asia. Among the countries in Asia, some are developed and some are not. The second group stands in the status of middle income and developing countries like Bangladesh, but there are huge similarities among the Asian countries regarding standard of life, economic condition, geographical and climatic characteristic, history and culture. Bangladesh has excellent and friendly relationship with many countries in Asia. We have cooperative relationship with them relating to education, literature, culture, commerce, industry, technology. Lesson 1, Friendship and Cooperative between Bangladesh, India and Bangladesh, China. India is our nearest neighbor. It is a large and powerful country of South Asia. It is situated at the mid-south of Asia. To its north are the Himalayas, the largest mountain range in the world. To the east is situated in the Arakan Mountains and the jungles of Assam, and to the west are the Hindu Kush and Suleiman ranges. The Indian Ocean is to its south. The area of India is 32,87,000 square kilometer, and population is about 131 crore and 95 lakh 77,000 and 958. The capital of the country is New Delhi. The India is enriched with the oldest and richest civilization of the world. Marks of civilization of nearly 5,000 years old have been found in the country. Cave drawing of Ajanta in South India and innumerable temples and sculpture spread all over the country. Taj Mahal of Agra, Qutub Minar and Red Fort of Delhi bear the mark of ancient civilization of India. Throughout ages, India has had been invaded and ruled by different foreign powers. The Portuguese, the Dutch, and the Mughal and Pathans were followed by the English at the end of that list. After 200 years of British rule, India was independent on 15 August 1947. About 80% of its population live in village, while the rest 20% are urban. Around 70% of the total population live by agriculture. Paddy, wheat, barley, oat, coffee and tea are among the chief agro producers of the country. From the very ancient period, India was famous for its fine textile. At present, they have advanced in steel, cement, machinery, chemical products, fertilizer, and even shipbuilding and car making industries. India is known as the world's largest democracy. Parliamentary democracy has long been highly effective in the country. India is a country of diverse people of different sects, religious and languages. People of many religions like Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christian, Jainas, etc. live in the country. Bangladesh has friendly relation with India. We remember the support we got from India during our War of Freedom in 1971. China is a country of East Asia. Its official name is People's Republic of China, and locally it is known as Zhanghua. The name of the capital is Beijing. With its 138 crore people, it is the largest population of the world. The area of this third largest country of the world is 97,000 square kilometer. Geographically, it is situated between India and Russia. To the east of the China is Pacific Ocean. To the west and north are Russia, Mongolia, and some parts of the India, and to its south are the Himalayas. Mountains cover more than one third of its total land area. land area. Uh, Look, Mongolia and some parts of the India of its southern Himalayas mountain cover more than one third of its total land area. The mountain Everest, the highest peak of the world, is situated in the Nepal China border. Climate of China is mostly moderate, but some parts of the remains covered with ice for a long period of the area. Um, Many races and sects live in China. About 95% of the Chinese people are originate from the race Hun China. Besides, there are 56 other races like Zhuang, Manchu, Hui, Miao, and uh, Mongol and Tibetan. So, the language of 95%. Mandarin of its population is the language of 95%. Mandarin. Zhuang, Manchu, Hui, Miao, Uyghur, Mongol, Tibetan. There are different races of China, and wheat, potato, beet, cotton, tea, tobacco, oil, seed, sugar cane, soybean, cocoa, palm seed are some of the other products. Iron, steel, silk, fertilizer, machinery, cement, paper, sugar, medicine are some of their major industries. China is highly rich in minerals too. Its soil gives away petroleum, iron, ore, brass, aluminum, gold, coal, and valuable mineral. Its forests provide for more than 32,000 species of trees and species of trees and about 1,150 species of birds. The Huanghe and Yangtze are the largest river of China. China is divided into 22 administrative provinces and 5 autonomous regions. China literacy rate among the large population is about 86%. Bangladesh has friendly relation with China. Besides, there is economic cooperation between the two countries in industry and commerce. Friendship and cooperation between Bangladesh and Japan, Korea and Malaysia. Japan is a country of islands in East Asia. 4,000 islands, both large and small. There are Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikaku, Honshu, Kyushu. The sea is on all 4 sides of the country. It is separated from the mainland of Asia by the Japan Sea and South China Sea. The official name of the country is Kingdom of Japan. The local name is Nippon and Nihon. Its capital is Tokyo. It is situated at the farthest east of Asia. That is why it is called the land of sunrise. Japan is a small country with regard to its land area. 13 crore people live in its 3,78,000 square kilometer of land. 99% of its population speaks Japanese language. Literacy rate of Japan is 100% and per capita is $37,600 US. The climate of Japan is temperate. Effect of monsoon is clear in the northeast part of Japan. The summer is humid and the winter is moderately cold. Some of the mentionable crops of the country are paddy, wheat, barley, soybean, sweet potatoes, sugar cane, beet, apple, grapes. Its major industries include iron and steel, electronic, shipbuilding, car making. The main drive of its economy is industries. It is also rich in minerals, some of which are natural gas, coal, iron, manganese, petroleum, lead, gold, silver. Japan has compulsory education for the age range of 6 to 15. Japan's relation with Bangladesh is friendly all along. Korea. Korea Korea Peninsula is situated at the uh, north east of Asia. It is spread from north to south. The distance from north to south is about 1,000 kilometers. Most of the northern borders lies with China alongside some parts of Russia. Korea is divided into two parts. After the Second World War, the parts are named of the South Korea and North Korea. The official name of the first is Republic of Korea, and second is People's Democratic Republic of Korea. Economic and political system of two countries are also different. Most of the land area of Korea is mountainous. However, most parts of its west and south region is plain land. Japan Sea is to its east. The two parts contain a total of about 3,000 islands. There are four seasons in Korea. Malaysia is an important country of Southeast Asia. Malaysia consists of 15 provinces. The topography is full of variety. Its west is marshland, eastern part is sandy, and the middle is covered by mountainous and ranging towards north and south. There are followers of Islam, Buddhism, and Christianity, Hinduism in the country. Its capital is Kuala Lumpur. Its main cities of Georgetown, Ipoh, Kuching, and Malaysia is an agriculture country. More than 50% of their total population is dependent on agriculture for their livelihood. Major industries of the country are rubber, fertilizer, China, were etc. Their notable mineral are tin, iron, petroleum, railway, road and air. All three communication system are developed. Georgetown, Kalang, Kuching, Penang are their main seaport. Malaysia has developed in many sectors within short period of their independence. Bangladesh has trade relation with Malaysia. The country has invested huge amount in different episodes of Bangladesh. Many expatriate in Bangladeshis works in Malaysia. Its labor market is big for us. So the some Asian country, about some Asian countries of the world, and who are the neighboring country of Bangladesh. So read more, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.